Hey there! Get ready to experience the ultimate homemade omelet guide from your own kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make the fluffiest, tastiest omelet ever. First things first, prep your toppings. Think cheese, sautéed spinach and mushrooms, crispy bacon, avocado, tomatoes, sautéed onions, chives, hot sauce, or even guacamole. Have them ready to go so you can plate your omelet immediately after cooking. Now let's get cracking. Crack 2 large eggs into a small bowl. Add a pinch of salt and whisk vigorously until foamy. Trust me, the foaminess is key. Skip the black pepper though, it doesn't dissolve well in eggs. Heat a non-stick pan on medium. Melt half a tablespoon of unsalted butter. When it's sizzling, pour in the whisked eggs and immediately turn the heat down to low. This prevents overcooking. Here's the secret technique. Use a spatula to push the cooked egg from the center outwards, letting the uncooked egg flow into the gaps. Do this around the pan until there's no liquid egg left. When it's nearly set, flip the omelet and cook until just set but not browned. Now, sprinkle shredded mozzarella or your cheese of choice over the omelet. Fold it gently and serve right away. Want some variations? Try a Florentine with spinach and mushrooms, or how about some sautéed onions and bacon? Remember, the key to a fluffy omelet is whisking the eggs until foamy and cooking over low heat. Avoid overcooking to keep that desirable texture and flavor. And there you have it, the ultimate homemade omelet. Don't forget to have fun and experiment with your favorite toppings. Bon appétit!